other your chords are. So at the start of the sequence, right hand reach. If you use the wrong hand, you take your left hand up here and you go outside to inside. See how they're parallel? That's wrong, but then it didn't do it. It didn't do the trick.
Outside and inside gives you the twist, sort of a slight twist at the top.
It gives you the slight twist, but not just outside to inside, and going the correct direction gives it to you. Because this is outside to inside as well, but it didn't do it because I reached with the wrong hand.
Got it.
Right hand reaches at the start of the sequence, and then your left hand is up here, leave it up here, do outside to inside. And this makes a really cool rectangular grid.
You said rectangular?
Rectangular. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's thick and flat.